This video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Binance Exchange to Binance Wallet. So first up, after you open up your Binance Wallet, go to this asset. After you go to asset, now scroll to down and select this USDT. After you select this USDT, so at the top, now there is different network. So now select the network you want to use. So for this video, I'll be using this BNB, that's Binance Merchant Network, and select this send button. After you select the send button, now tap on this transfer to Binance. So from this option, now specify the amount of the USDT you want to send into your Binance. So I'll specify the amount. The minimum is 0.01. I'll specify 0. Let's say I want to send just 50. So after you type in the amount, tap on this option. And then now if you tap on this continue button, if you have the available balance, if you just tap on this continue button, so from there, the USDT will be sent into your Binance account. You'll be able to find your balance in the spot or funding wallet. And that's it. So because I don't have now the amount, that's why it just give me this error. But if you have the amount in your Binance wallet, so it will not give you this error, it will just give you this continue button active. If you tap on the continue button, from there it will transfer the USDT to your Binance exchanger. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.